Welcome to the Fix-It Tech News channel, and this is just to remind everybody that wants to stay safe that a new version of the Mozilla web browser Firefox has been released. Actually, it was released yesterday, December 15th, but I didn't have time to look at it, so we talk about it today. It does contain quite a lot of fixes, so to know if you have the latest version, first of all, just go to Firefox. Go into the hamburger menu on the upper right corner, the three horizontal lines. Go into Help, and there just click About Firefox. If you're not there already, you should be updated to version 84. That will be showing up like this. Now, they do have a lot of fixes for critical flaws, actually. So this is kind of interesting. If we look at what's in here, so a lot of critical security vulnerabilities have been found here. Some high security and some moderates, of course. So the difference between all of them is, well, critical means that bad guys could technically have already exploited these. If not, now they know about it. So they're easy to exploit and take control and do whatever they want. And of course, the other ones, high and moderate, mean that it's better to get them fixed, but it's not as easy to actually exploit these security flaws within the browser. So a new version, once again, of the update of the Firefox browser. Remember also, it is the last version of Firefox that will support Adobe Flash. So starting with version 85, the next version, Flash will not work on the browser anymore. So once again, simply go to your Firefox web browser, upper right corner in the three horizontal lines, and go into Help and into About Firefox. It will update, ask you to restart, and you'll be at version 84 as of today, December 16th, 2020. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.